Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to give my thoughts on the new money-making opportunity known as text ALN. And I'm going to let you know, do I think it's a good idea for new affiliate marketers or network marketers? People who are just getting started in this game. Do I think this could be a great opportunity for you? Now, I am not a member of text ALN. These are just my thoughts off of what I've been seeing from reading articles and watching videos and actually checking out their own sales presentation. All right. So what is text ALN? All right. It's a new affiliate / network marketing opportunity, and it's an opportunity where you can earn instant commissions, and you can actually build a team and earn from building, from having people underneath you and all that good network marketing stuff. All right. So the product that text ALN is based around is SMS messaging. So basically, you're going to be, selling text message marketing. All right, which is, to be completely honest, text message marketing is getting more and more popular. A lot of people are going from email marketing and moving more into text message marketing, and a lot of people are just adding text message marketing to their email marketing. All right, so the text ALN allows you to have your own text message marketing platform, right, where you can actually build up your own list using text message marketing and actually promote the text ALN opportunity to other people via text message marketing. All right. So the idea is you can actually earn an instant commission just by selling the actual, service. You'll earn an instant. I think right now it's maybe $50 commissions or $50 or $60 instant commissions. And then there's a monthly fee. I think the monthly fee is like $59 a month. All right. So a lot of people are talking about this right now. Right, a lot of people are jumping in, and I see a lot of completely new people jumping in, and I see some experienced people jumping into this opportunity. So here's the thing: if you're thinking about joining text ALN and you're new, you just seen this opportunity, but you like I said, you knew some maybe cons to joining text ALN as a newcomer is you're going to be pretty much promoting to other marketers, right? Because who is most likely to buy text message marketing services, right? And it's other marketers. Now, granted, they don't have to be all, network marketers you're selling to or affiliate marketers. I mean, some people are approaching local businesses, right? Which could be a good thing. But a lot of people who are new to affiliate marketing, network marketing, they don't feel comfortable or even have the confidence enough to promote to other marketers, because a lot of times new marketers feel intimidated to try to approach somebody who they know been in the game much longer than them, so they might find it a little difficult to promote to more experienced marketers. All right, it can be done, but I'm just giving you something to think about. Another thing is that could be a con if you're new, is you're going to have to learn email marketing, right? Because you are building an email list and getting people on your text message marketing list as well. So you're going to really need to learn email marketing, right? And the strategies behind that to help grow your text ALN business. That's hard to say. Text ALN is a damn tongue twister. All right, try to say it fast. Go ahead, try to say it fast. But you're going to have to learn email marketing, and you're going to have to learn the science behind text message marketing, right? There are two different things. There's two different ways you kind of got to look at each marketing method. Email and text messages, they're different, right? So you're going to have to be willing to learn how both of these things work and how they can work together. All right, so something to think about. One more con that could be a con is, a lot of people who are more experienced, they're going to use text ALN and they're going to make money not only from promoting the system, but they usually have another product or system that they're planning on marketing to people who they get to join their text marketing list. They usually have another product to offer these people. So more experienced marketers, they're going to get money from selling text ALN, building up a team, and then they got other offers that they're going to be shooting out to people, making more money. Now, if you're new, that could be a little overwhelming because you're going to have to really put in a serious effort, just to, get going with the text ALN. Damn it. Text ALN program. You're going to have to really, put a lot of learning time and effort, because remember, you got to learn how to work that system. You got to really learn email marketing and, do your research with the text message marketing. All right. So then to turn around and to expect you to have another back end product that you need to know, and you need to know all about that other product that you want to promote. It could be overwhelming to newcomers. It's just a fact, right? Now, if you don't have a problem with none of that, then great. All right. So let me go into some pros, I believe, with text ALN from what I know, right? One is the system. Actually, once you join the system itself, they have a lot of training. All right, a lot of training to help you get up and running. They have training about how text message marketing works, how email marketing works. They have sales pages all set up for you where you could just drive traffic to these sales pages, and they have all of the training supposedly that you would need to get going with this system, right? Which is a good thing. A lot of training, detailed training, is always a good thing whenever you're getting involved with any sort of system. Another pro that I see if you're a newcomer with text ALN is there are a lot of good team leaders that I see. I know a couple myself who are involved with this company, and when you join with them, they go all in, right? They give you extra training, right? More than the actual company gives you. And they actually really work with you and really help you to become successful with text ALN. And that could be a huge benefit, depending on, who you join up under, right? That can make a lot. So if you decide to join, do your research and what team you're joining, like who's your sponsor, right? Don't be afraid to ask questions, you know what I'm saying? Because they want you on a team, right? So do your little research and ask questions before you jump on a team, because that can really help you if you jump on a good team and actually have a good sponsor, all right? And the last pro that I think, text ALN could offer people, new or old, is the earning potential looks crazy, right? It really has a really good compensation plan. From what I can tell, a lot of people have made thousands of dollars, and the company really didn't even officially launch yet. And there's people who made $5,000-$10,000 already from this opportunity. Now, are they probably more experienced marketers? Probably so, but the company ain't even really get going yet, and people are making money. And I've seen some newcomers have started to make some money from this program. All right, so do I think this is a good opportunity for newcomers? Honestly, it can be. It really depends on you, right? Just know what you're getting involved with, right? Just know what you're getting involved with before you take that leap, because you're gonna really have to take an effort with this opportunity, even more than some other opportunities, because you really need to get in and start learning email marketing. You need to really understand text message marketing. You need to jump right in with the training and dedicate time to really learning the system. And like I said, if you're shy or you're not used to dealing with other marketers, you need to get your confidence up, you know what I mean? And because you're going to be marketing to other marketers, all right? And if you don't got a problem with all that, and you're willing to put in that real effort, then yes, this could be for new affiliate / network marketers. All right, that's my take on it. If you want to check out the company that I'm involved with, I'm already making money with it. I think it's super easy to get started with. It's the first link in the description of this video. Check that out and see if that's something that you're interested in. If not, I will see you in the next video. Peace.